Have you ever asked AI for help and got back generic garbage? Most of the time, it's not the AI's fault. It's your prompt. Here's the skill that separates people who waste time using AI from people who make it work. Prompt engineering. Hello everybody, my name is Shane from the Jenny team, and today we are learning prompt engineering. How to write instructions that make AI give you exactly what you need for academic writing. This skill will save you hours. Here's an example of a bad prompt. Help me write an essay about climate change. The result is going to be generic, unfocused rambling that you can't use. Instead, a good prompt would sound something like, you're a research tutor. Write a 200-word introduction paragraph for undergraduates explaining why climate policy matters, formal academic tone, include one peer-reviewed citation in APA format. The result? Focused, usable content that actually fits your needs. The main difference between these two is how specific they are. Vague prompts get vague results. Every great prompt has 5 parts: role, task, context, constraints, and example. The role can be something like, you are a biology tutor. This sets the expertise level. For the task, this is what you want the AI to do. Be specific about it, like write a 150-word explanation. For context, that would be the background of the prompt. For example, for first-year students, or for a lit review. For constraints, this is where you set boundaries. For example, write in a formal tone with APA citations, 200 words max. And lastly, example. Show specific examples of what you want to the AI. Include all of these 5 parts in your prompt and watch your AI responses transform. Here are 3 strategies to help you level up your prompt engineering game. First, chain of thought. Prompt the AI to show your reasoning step by step. This gets you better logic. Second, few-shot prompting. Give 2 to 3 examples of the style you want, then ask AI to match it. And third, iterative refinement. Start with a basic prompt, see the result, add constraints, try again. Treat prompting kind of like drafting. You have to refine it until it's right. Use this process for academic writing. Step 1, brainstorm. For example, give me 5 research questions on X topic. Step 2, outline. Create a literature review outline with introduction, 3 themes, and a conclusion. Step 3, draft sections. A prompt here could be something like, write the intro section, 180 words, formal tone, APA. For this section, I highly suggest that you use AI to provide inspiration on wording and tone, and then write the draft yourself. And step 4, refine. You could use prompts like check grammar or shorten to X number of words. Refine the text as necessary. Work section by section with clear prompts. Never ask AI to write your paper in one shot. Here are 3 prompt engineering rules. First, start broad, then narrow down. Generate options first, then get specific. Second, always fact-check AI output. It confidently makes up citation and facts sometimes. Third, keep a prompt library. Save your best prompts and reuse the structure. Remember, you're the director and AI is the assistant. You make the decisions. Prompt engineering is becoming as essential as knowing how to use Google. Master it now and you'll have an edge in every academic and professional setting. Have you been trying to figure out how to use AI in academic writing responsibly? Jenny would be perfect for you. Try out all of the prompt engineering tips I just mentioned in Jenny and start writing quality research papers today. Hi, Shane from Jenny here. Thank you for watching the video. Jenny is an all-in-one writing workspace that's designed specifically for students, researchers, and academics. Jenny helps you write with smart suggestions that include citations, manage all of your sources in one place, paraphrase your writing into any tone, and it also offers a smart Jenny chat, which is basically ChatGPT but tailored specifically for academics. You can try it out for free today. Link is in the description box. See you in the next video.